On the news today, Sunday IGBOHO. We all know who Sunday IGBOHO is, Yoruba nation. Now, on the headline, it says, a house divided against itself. My beautiful people, we may not be using Yoruba as much, but we can express the English. Sit down, relax, and listen. Yeah, there is two fighting, as we used to say in those kindergarten days, between two prominent Yoruba nation agitators, Sunday Adeyemo, Sunday IGBOHO, and the Oodua People's Congress. Oh my God, OPC. Leader GANI Adams, aka Iba Gani Adams, and Are Ono Kakanfo. Are Ono Kakanfo. IGBOHO alleged that Gani Adams defamed him, damaged his reputation, and assassinated his character in a leaked video that went viral. It makes no sense to repeat the content of the video here. Well, that is by the wayside, either yesterday, day before yesterday. But the bone of contention is where we are heading to. Now, to recap, I said IGBOHO is pained and like Shylock in William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. He wants a pound of flesh from Gani Adams, first, to redeem his allegedly viciously damaged character, and secondly, to teach Adams an object lesson. Therefore, Sunday IGBOHO has approached the court and is demanding damages in the region of 500 million naira from Gani Adams, Iba Gani Adams. Kọtíkínì ń sọ ni pé Sunday IGBOHO ó ti sue Gani Adams ní ìlọ́po mílíọ̀nù náírà. Now it has been said 500 million naira, down the line. To continue, effort made by Adams and other concerned Yoruba leaders to placate IGBOHO has been in vain. Explanations by Adams that he meant no harm has fallen on IGBOHO's deaf ears. When two elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. Therefore, supporters of the Yoruba Nation project at home and abroad are miffed that two foremost generals of their cherished cause are bent on washing their dirty linen in public rather than let wise counsel prevail. They seemingly have chosen to dance naked in public. Wow. Well, they chose to wash their dirty linen outside in public. As been said, seemingly have chosen to dance naked in public. Okay, if I were Adams, I would have been circumspect enough not to voice what he was alleged to have said about IGBOHO, Sunday IGBOHO. And if I were IGBOHO, I would be mindful to control the damage already done in the interest of the cause that I hold dearly, and for which I have already suffered irreparable losses in the hands of the Nigerian state. The altercations and vituperation between two Afenifere groups led respectively by Pa Ruben Fashoranti and Pa Ayo Adebanjo, which appeared to have receded in recent times from the very bad tempers that was witnessed in the period preceding, during, and immediately after the last election. And while it lasted, the disagreement was ferocious. It was also humbling. Two generals who share in the glory of the Awolowo years still sing till tomorrow as the golden age of the Yoruba people, which talked relentlessly at each other as supporters urged them on. Now, the truth be told, or truth being told, it was a war of proxy of sorts, which some of the supporters instigated as well as cashed in upon to feather their own nests. And now, I imagine if I were the son of a non-Agenarian or a son of octogenarian parents, whether I would allow that they be denied their well-deserved retirement and rest and be tossed up and down or dragged here, and thereby people cashing in on their goodwill for self-aggrandizement. What this simply means is that if that, this, that bring cash, because people are using their, prowess, or rather their stories, to generate funds for themselves, generate cash for themselves. People will talk, tongues will wag, oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló kàn ń lọ ni wọ́n kàn ń fi àwọn paadé banjo wọ́n fi ń gbowó wọ́n fi ń cash out, and people keep talking, exaggerating and doing, all sorts to dent the image of the Yoruba nation at large. Now the rift between Sunday Igboho and Gani Adams lè sọ́tàn, because Sunday Igboho at the other end have tried. Ẹja sòótọ́rọ̀ ní ká má sọ̀hún. Sunday Igboho has tried, as they say he's an illiterate, as an activist. They said he's a stark illiterate activist or thereabout. The word activist is just to attribute somebody, like a pastor, like a prophet, like an imam, like a sheikh. So this person is a sheikh. This one is an afar. This is so that's what he represents. He went to school. He no go to school. He no concern anybody. He sabi speak English. He no sabi speaking English. Provided there are some people that understand his plight. So if I understand his plight as an Igbo man, or as an Hausa man, or as a Benin Republic, citizen, I believe understanding is what it is. So, and we all know the part that Sunday Igboho has played when it comes to politics, when it comes to standing for his people, when it comes to, standing firm to make sure that Yoruba nation is being achieved, even if it's not achieved. But during the time of Buhari and the regime of Buhari, we believe that the Fulani herdsmen had gone so far to the extent that they start killing Yoruba people. Where was Gani Adams? Where were these people? It was Sunday Igboho that came out, and in the film, he was brutalized and ran on exile to Benin Republic. Now, elders must learn to hand over the baton to the younger generations, not only politics, but also in business as well as in ministry. A recommended textbook, Pastor Wale Adefara, since the succession crisis in Nigeria is just, to be speculated. One of the qualities of good leadership is to know when to quit, not to stay beyond one's welcome or usefulness. Quit the stage when the ovation is loudest, and over the baton to a worthy successor who will further build upon the foundation already laid. Now, it is a relay kind of race, not a sprint. A relay kind of race, not a sprint. Now, to the supporters or followers, allow our living ancestors to take a bow, leave them to retire and enjoy a well-deserved rest. Now, Sunday Igboho and Gani Adams, Afenifere, what is the next line of action? Well, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. I would like you to share your views in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Independent TV 7. Thanks for listening, and God bless you.